Hi, hello, and welcome to the section Data Handling, used to handle the text or tabular form of data. Assessing data is a necessary first step in data analysis with large and database type files. Pandas provides a number of functions to read the text data or tabular data as a data frame objects. The data may be any one of these types, that is, data may be in the form of CSV, Excel, JSON, etc. And the data source may be one of these, that is, local disk, database, or network source like Web API. Pandas provides many functions to read and write different kinds of data either in the form of text or tabular form. The most widely used and the popular methods are the read_CSV and read_table methods, though there exist many other methods. In order to view or print the raw contents of the file from local source like disk, we can use type method or cat methods. Windows users can use type method and Linux users can use cat method. In order to read the comma delimited file into a data frame object, we can use read_CSV method. If we have a variable amount of white space, we can use read_table instead of read_CSV with a specified delimiter as the field of separator. The read_CSV method offers different and highest number of parameters to read the variety of CSV files and other text files. Some of them are highlighted here. In order to read the few lines or few numbers of rows, we can use nRows parameter, and with a very large file, we can use chunk size parameter to read the file in a smaller pieces. To export or write the CSV files to another CSV files or text form of files, we can use to_CSV method provided by the Pandas. The to_CSV method offers a variety of parameters to control how we can export the CSV files into text or another CSV files. For example, we can use vertical bar instead of comma to separate the fields of the CSV file or text file. In order to write a CSV file, Pandas will accept or invoke the Python's built-in CSV module. The Python CSV module has csv.reader and csv.writer methods to read and write the CSV files respectively. Other file handling methods are JSON, XML and HTML, binary data formats, HDF5 format, Excel file, etc. But we are mainly concentrating on the read_CSV and read_table methods as they are widely used among these methods. Let us see more about these read_CSV and read_table methods in the practical session.